What does it mean to own a certified cleaning business? You don't need a certification to clean. There is no college degree for cleaning. There is no school that you would learn. You're literally learning through life. By researching, by reading, by doing, that's how you learn how to clean. Now, having a business degree is very beneficial if you are going to run a cleaning business. I don't have a business degree. I actually have my bachelor's degree in communications with a minor in English. So maybe that's why I'm so good at talking a lot and networking, because I like to do that already as it is, and I majored in it. But again, these are not requirements to start or operate a cleaning business, but they are good to have, but not requirement. Now, why is it good to be certified in your cleaning business? First, if you're going to look at getting certified, you need to see who you're getting your certification through, because you want to make sure that the organization or the company that you're getting certified by, that you're taking courses through, is legit, is reputable, knows what they're talking about, not a fly by the seat of their pants kind of pop-up business and you don't really know what you're getting your certification in. So you want to do that research. Having a certification does bring a form of credibility to your business. It shows your clientele that you're serious about cleaning, that you're serious about disinfecting, that you're serious about window cleaning or floor cleaning or carpet cleaning or whatever type of cleaning that you're doing. If there are certifications that you can apply for, it shows your clientele that you're passionate and that you're serious about it. I, for example, own a green certified cleaning business. I love nature. I love eco cleaning. I've been eco cleaning for half my life, and I've loved nature since I was a little kid. So I found an organization back in 2017 called Green America. On greenamerica.org's website, you're going to see a section where you can get certified through Green Business Network. They can certify a business and you would get a green certification. What that organization does, it's awesome. It's a wonderful website. Just check it out. They network with other green companies. They have articles, news reports, magazines. You get on a green business directory. So if I'm looking for, let's say, a carpet cleaning company that's green certified, I would go on greenamerica.org and type in carpet cleaning company in my area and find one that is green certified. And it's not just cleaning, it's clothing, it's banks, it's construction, it's food companies, it's farmers, it's any business that is passionate about the environment and eco-friendly living and running an eco-friendly business that may qualify to be green certified. So I got certified through Green America back in 2017. Any kind of certification fee that you pay for your cleaning business is a tax write-off anyway. It was a very, very, very in-depth certification process, a questionnaire, an email. I had to tell them what kind of cleaning products I use so that they can verify that they're eco-friendly. For example, I'm not using bleach and Fabuloso because that would not qualify as eco-friendly cleaning products. They even wanted to know what kind of car I drive to make sure I'm not driving a gas-guzzling Hummer. Once I got green certified, they sent me a physical certification letter, which I've posted many times on my social media, and a JPEG type logo that I can use on my advertising. I highly recommend, if you are looking at having an eco-friendly cleaning business, or you already have one and you want to get certified, check out that website. It's very worth it. And it shows my clients and any potential new clients that I am passionate about the environment because I am green certified. That's one certification that I have, and there's other ones that I have too that you could check out if you want. One is GBAC, which is Global Biorisk Advisory Council. They merged with ISSA, which is the worldwide leader in the Cleaning Industry Association. Back during the 2020 pandemic, I got 2 certifications from GBAC through their online courses about how to properly clean and disinfect viruses and bacteria, especially COVID and several other ones. So it was a very, very, very informative, long, several hours long of a virtual course that I took. So that is a great website to check out, GBAC and ISSA, if you're looking at expanding your knowledge in the cleaning industry. If you want to get more information or more education for your cleaning business, look at organizations that you can get certified from or take classes from, because that is great information to have and to share to your clients, because knowledge is power and you can never stop learning. Aren't you cleaning by Kathy?